What if I had an upgrade in this wholesaling course where for the price of $10 a month, $100 a month, $1,000 a year, you could go out here and text me personally any questions you have about wholesaling real estate? Well, actually, I do have that program and it's completely for free. Now, no, I'm a busy guy. I make a lot of money wholesaling real estate. So I'm not going to personally text and DM 40,000 people. That's actually not physically possible for me to do. But what I did was I actually trained AI to watch every single wholesaling video I've ever done, like for about 6+ years. I made it watch tens of thousands of hours of live streams, videos. I made it even go through this course. I fed it all this information. I fed it a lot of the team member stuff. And basically what I did was I trained AI to pretty much know anything I've ever spoke about on the internet about wholesaling real estate. And what that is my official wholesaling real estate AI bot. Now, what this bot is trained from every single word me and Rick has ever spoken in the past 6 years in wholesaling real estate. So you can just go get ChatGPT on your phone, load in my AI bot in your ChatGPT, and you can text, voice, and just talk to it like a phone call every single second. You get instant answers. It's trained by everything. It's pretty dang cool. How you access this is pretty dang simple. So all you have to do is, do you see where it says GPTs right here? So you're always going to see this on the left-hand side. Click GPTs and just go out here and search wholesaling real estate. And then this one should always pop up number 1. And you click it, it'll start the GPT. You just press start chat. And now you have this little wholesaling real estate buddy on the side. And you can ask it any question. You can even ask it like, how do I find cash buyers in Dallas, Texas, right? And it's going to be using all the knowledge base of the years and years of our YouTube videos. And it's going to tell you that if you want to find cash buyers, for example, you can do our X-Lead software. You can do Facebook, Discord. You can JV with people. They said, Maximilian Deer's a good guy to JV with. Luca's awesome to JV with. Here's Jen. She's great, a JV partner. And, just go out here and use X-Leads and you'll be good to go. And I'm telling you right now, if you want to learn in depth, freelance.com will teach you in there too. But all these strategies and any question you possibly can have, you can feed it the address of your deal. I don't actually get that information, so it's private. And everything I've ever said about wholesaling real estate is in this private AI chat you can do anytime. Another example, you can go voice mode, press allow. How do I get my first wholesaling real estate deal? Give me an exact 30-day action plan.
All right, let's get you your first wholesaling deal in 30 days. No fluff. This is the real 30-day game plan we teach inside freewholesaling.com. I'll break it down into clear weekly steps so you know exactly what to do each day. Day 1-7, set up and start marketing. Pick your market. Dallas is great. Learn. Go through the day 1 to day 7 modules at freewholesaling.com. Set up your tools, CRM. Use free Podio or X-Leads. Skip tracing. Use xleads.com. Please open your app to see this link. Or free sites like True People Search. Pull free government lists, code violations, probates, pre-foreclosures. Start driving for dollars. Spend $30 on gas. Find 50 to 100 ugly houses. Reverse, drop sticky notes on 10 to 20 doors a day. Start cold calling. Use Google Voice or X-Leads triple line dialer. Day 8 to 14. Keep marketing and talk to sellers. Call every lead you pulled. Use the cold calling script from freewholesaling.com. Lock in your first real seller convo. Ask why they need to sell. Gauge motivation. Go heavy on cold calling and texting. Build your cash buyers list using Facebook, Zillow for rents, and Dallas investor groups. Join Zach's and Rick's live calls for feedback. Day 15 to 21. Lock up your first deal. Follow up daily with motivated sellers. When you get a verbal yes, send the free contract from freewholesaling.com. Use PandaDoc or DocuSign to get it signed electronically. Run comps using Zillow, Redfin, X-Leads, and make a solid offer. Day 22 to 28. Find a cash buyer. Blast the deal to your buyer's list. Use Facebook, Discord, and call local landlords. JV with a trusted dispo expert in Dallas, Maximilian from maxdispo.com or Luca. Show the deal to buyers. Collect earnest money deposit. Day 29-30. Get paid. Send the deal to a wholesaler-friendly title company. Title starts the closing process. Get your assignment fee in 2 to 3 weeks. You stick to this plan, stay consistent every single day, and I promise you'll be well on your way to that first 10K check. Want help building your seller script or offer formula next?
Here we go. Let's go. I love to see that. And it basically gives you it just breaks down the whole 30 days for you right there based on all the videos I've ever done. It's right there. So guys, if you want to check it out, just go click the link right there. It'll bring you there. Again, it's absolutely completely for free. Bring it on your phone. It's like having a buddy going through the course, just asking the questions. It's all in there. So check it out. Click the link below. Let's go after it.